You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
Sofa, bear me.
I feel it too. You might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
How good is that? The beer fridge is in its new home in my friend's house. Now, before I delivered it, I had to extensively test this thing. I had to make sure that it wasn't gonna break, it wasn't gonna have a code fail. And so what I did was I filled it up with beers and tested it extensively in my garage before it came here. So now that I know it works properly, I thought I'd show you guys some features and talk through how this thing actually works. So we know that it works on voice control. So the command of Sofa Beer Me needs to be said in a very short form for the Sofa module to hear the right words. So it kind of needs to be like short syllables. Now, what you probably didn't know is it's also controlled by a remote if you don't want to yell at the sofa to beer you. The other way of doing it is through your phone. Now I have made an app for the Sofa. You just download it and literally you just press the button and the beer will spit itself out.